Hello guys and welcome to Top 4 channel. Would you like to kick back, relax, and watch the money roll in automatically on Fiverr? If you are tired of trading your time for money on Fiverr, then I have the perfect solution for you. I'll show you how to make money on Fiverr using free artificial intelligence tools so you can sit back, relax, and I'm going to use my fashion AI today to make some money while you sleep. So let me tell you what's going on. It is an incredible AI website that allows you to create beautiful portraits of individuals wearing various outfits while you sleep. A great tool for bloggers, fashion designers, and social media influencers looking to show off different clothing styles and trends. Colors is incredibly useful. My fashion AI works pretty simply. All you have to do is upload a clear photo of yourself for a friend to dress up. When you upload a picture of someone you found online or even a stranger, you can choose from a variety of outfits on the website. Outfits are categorized so you can find exactly what you are looking for. You can choose from dresses, suits, pants, and even accessories like hats. It is easy to customize an outfit after choosing an outfit by selecting color and fabric type. Once you have chosen the outfit, click the Generate button and the website will do the rest. Fashion AI creates stunning portraits of people dressed in various outfits using advanced AI algorithms. With the right colors and combination, the result is an image of high quality that appears to have been taken by a professional photographer. My fashion AI is totally free to use. The website doesn't charge you to register or use it. This is a huge advantage over other similar tools, which can be quite expensive, as well as a user-friendly design. As a result, I do not think you need to be a tech expert to use my fashion AI, and I especially like the fact that my AI is very accurate. The AI algorithms on the website are capable of accurately placing outfits over photos, so you will not have to worry about any awkward scenes. Unlike other similar tools, my fashion AI is a free, user-friendly, and extremely powerful tool that can be used by anyone who wants to create stunning portraits of individuals wearing different outfits and colors. The best part is that in this video I'll show you how to use this super cool AI tool to start earning some serious income. The first thing you have to do is sign up for a myfashionai.com account. The next step is to create an account. To do this, visit the myfashionai.com website first. Then type in myfashionai.com into the address bar of your web browser. Once you arrive on the home page, you will see a sign up button at the top. Click on the sign up button to sign up, and you will have to enter your name, email address, etc. Fill in all the required information and create a password using upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've filled in all the required information to create an account, click Create Account. As soon as you have verified your account, you will receive an email confirmation with a link to click on. Once you have clicked the link, you can use my fashion AI. You can upload a picture of the person you want to dress up by clicking on the Upload Picture button on the home page. The AI algorithms will be able to accurately place the outfit onto the photo if the person stands straight and faces the camera. Once you have uploaded the photo, you can choose the outfit you want to use. Once you have chosen the outfit, you can customize it by selecting the color and fabric. Once you have made all of your selections, click on the Generate button. All you need to do is sign up for my fashion AI, and it will create a beautiful portrait of your loved one while wearing the outfit. Once signed up, you will have access to a powerful tool you can use to create amazing fashion portraits. Step 2. Sell it on Fiverr. The portraits you create with my fashion AI are incredibly versatile. This software is incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes, whether you want to create eye-catching social media posts, spice up your blog posts, or sell your creations on Fiverr for some extra cash. The possibilities are limitless, and Fiverr is the perfect platform to show off your creativity. With my fashion AI, you are able to create stunning portraits that will leave your clients in awe and earn a decent amount of money doing what you love. Therefore, why not take advantage of this incredible opportunity and create a gig on Fiverr that offers this service? You can charge a high price and attract clients who will pay high premiums for high-quality fashion portraits. Best of all, My Fashion AI, a free AI tool that helps freelancers and newbies create stunning portraits that will leave their clients speechless when it comes to creating gigs on Fiverr. It is an AI-based tool that makes the entire process simple and quick. With My Fashion AI, you can take your skills to the next level and create stunning portraits that will leave your clients speechless when it comes to crafting a gig on Fiverr that has a compelling description. You need a compelling description and title to attract buyers and stand out from the competition. ChatGPT helps you create descriptions and titles that are sure to attract buyers and make your gig irresistible. You can easily create engaging descriptions that highlight your unique skills with ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT uses advanced artificial intelligence, you can be sure your description will be top-notch and tailored to the needs and preferences of your target audience, thus setting you apart from other freelancers on Fiverr. In addition to that, ChatGPT can also help you respond to buyer inquiries, making the whole process easier to sell your services. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, please show your support by clicking the like button and leaving a comment below to share your thoughts. Additionally, if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.